Good morning, everyone. My name's Chawanya Premjit.
My name's Tawanrat Vachnalak.
And my name's Niata Sewizit.
We are second-year students of High Vocational Certificate in Accounting at Intrakai Commercial College in Bangkok. We are excited to be here today to present our project titled Tax for Ganzi Project, Understanding Corporate Income Tax Before Stepping into the Working World. Let's get started.
To help you understand the full picture, I will start with an introduction, discuss the main points, and then conclude with key takeaways. Corporate income tax, or CIT, is a tax imposed on companies based on their net profit. It plays a crucial role in national development because it is one of the main sources of government revenue. For accounting students, understanding corporate income tax is extremely important. Therefore, in real working life, accountants are responsible for preparing financial statements, calculating taxable income, adjusting accounting profit to tax profit, and ensuring compliance with tax laws. However, many students still struggle with this subject. They often feel confused about tax adjustments, deductible and non-deductible expenses, and corporate tax rates. Some students also lack confidence when solving tax calculation problems.
Let me explain the key points from this slide. First, our project aimed to simplify corporate income tax concepts for Gen Z students. Second, we focused on improving students' understanding of tax calculations and tax adjustments. Third, we aimed to prepare students for the working world by building both knowledge and confidence. This project was conducted at Inthrakai Commercial College. The total population consisted of 81 accounting students, and the sample group included 22 third-year vocational certificate students. The project lasted 4 months, from October to January. During this period, we designed learning materials, conducted teaching sessions, and evaluated students' understanding.
Now let's move on to the next point. This leads us to an important idea about how we delivered the learning content. To make the project engaging for Gen Z learners, we used digital tools such as Canva presentations, Google Sites, Google Forms, and Kahoot games. The learning content covered 5 main areas. First, the definition and importance of corporate income tax. Second, the tax calculation structure, starting from accounting profit to taxable profit. Third, tax adjustments, including add-back items and deductible expenses. Fourth, corporate income tax rates in Thailand, including SME tax rates. And fifth, digital tax systems such as e-filing and e-tax invoice. We also included practical examples and exercises to help students apply the knowledge in real-life situations.
After completing the activities, we collected feedback using satisfaction questionnaires and knowledge assessments. The results showed that the overall satisfaction level was at the highest level, with an average score of 4.68.
Most students agreed that the learning materials were easy to understand and the activities were engaging. They also reported increased confidence in solving corporate income tax problems. These results clearly show that the project successfully achieved its objectives. This project provided several benefits. Students gained clearer understanding, practical skills, and familiarity with digital tax systems. For future improvement, we recommend extending the project period and adding more real-life case studies to increase engagement.
In conclusion, corporate income tax, or CIT, is a direct tax imposed on companies based on their net profit. It is one of the most important sources of government revenue and plays a significant role in developing the country's economy. Every registered company has a legal responsibility to calculate and pay corporate income tax correctly and on time. In this project, we studied the meaning, tax rates, calculation methods, and filing procedures of corporate income tax in Thailand. We learned that the general tax rate is 20% of net profit, and companies must file tax returns twice a year, including the mid-year return and the annual return. Accurate financial records and proper tax calculations are very important to avoid penalties and legal problems. This project helped us understand not only tax theory but also its practical application in real business situations. As accounting students, knowledge of corporate income tax is essential because it prepares us for future careers in accounting and business management. Overall, corporate income tax is not only a legal obligation but also a key factor in supporting national development and promoting transparency in business operations. Overall, corporate income tax is not only a legal obligation but also a key factor in supporting national development and promoting transparency in business operations. We hope that everyone who has watched this presentation has gained some knowledge and understanding, even if only a little. If there are any mistakes, the project team sincerely apologizes. Thank you very much for your attention. That concludes my presentation. If you have any questions or suggestions, I would be happy to answer them and welcome your feedback.